Welcome to Biblical Greek. In today's lesson, we're going to learn a new category of verbs, and this one is called first aorist active indicative verb. Now let's keep them distinct from present indicative active and imperfect indicative active. This is first aorist active indicative verb. So let's draw our paradigm for the first aorist active indicative verb, which is known as the weak aorist, compared to the second aorist we will look at later on, which are known as the strong aorist verbs. So, same way, singular, plural. Okay, we're talking about the first aorist active indicative verb. First person, second person, third person. Now, just like our imperfect indicative active, we also have the E prefix, the augment E, in front of each of them. So let's go ahead and write them down. Then come our lexeme, the verb that goes in between. And now, sa, sas, sen, samen, sate, san. So this is the paradigm for the first aorist active indicative verb. A, but then the ending almost looks like the future, the way we add the sa in it before the suffix. But here it is sa, sa, sen, samen, sate, san. Now let's add our luo lexeme in there. Elusa, elusas, elusen, elusamen, elusate, elusan. How will we translate this now? Remember, imperfect would be I was losing. This one is I loosed. I loosed, you loosed, he, she, it loosed, we loosed, y'all loosed, they loosed. Okay? So this is the difference between the first aorist indicative, which is I loosed, you loosed, he, she, it loosed, we loosed, y'all loosed, they loosed. Imperfect would be I was loosing, you were loosing, or you used to lose. He, she, it was losing, or he, she, it used to lose. We were losing, or we used to lose. Y'all were losing, or y'all used to lose. Or they were losing, or they used to lose. This is completed. I almost want to say punctiliar, but then again, keep in mind the verbal aspect and the oction sort. Aorist is not always punctiliar. But for translation purposes, I loosed, you loosed, he, she, it loosed, we loosed, y'all loosed, they loosed. This is our first aorist active indicative verb.